Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another TryHackMe CTF Collections number 2. In today's video, we are going to gather flags from 14th to 16th. Without further ado, let's just get started. Let me check. It's a hint of the 14th flag. So embed image code. Let me go back to. So I think just now I already noticed it encoded a message when we access the home page. Let me copy and use the Q command. Okay, and we, the output contains a very large message, and this is encoded. Let me copy the message or encoded message. Oh, so large. We can copy. Yes, base 64. So it's telling us the message is encoded by base 64. Let me. Or we can go back to the, the browser and check its source code. Yes, this one. So this would be either easier way to copy. I don't know. Okay, let me copy. And but the last HTML elements or the text should be deleted. Okay, let me copy. Oh, let me copy and use the command line. Echo. Base 64. And we can save it to like flag 14 PNG. Okay, it's done. And let me open the folder. Collections. So this one, and then we can grab the 14th flag. Okay, so now let me do the next one and check its hint. Try guess the alphabet and the hash code. Just similar to the other flag, the difficulty lies in the place or where to do this, to solve this challenge. Earlier we have already used GoBuster to find many hidden directories, and this time we need to go to game1 directory, game1. So your answer guess the combination and the hints. The hints, what's a hint? So this is Asaki encoded. I don't know. We can put the A. Oh, we get the number B. C. Oh, it's sequential. So how about the uppercase A, B? So I think we can get, we try to find the mapping between alphabet and the number. Okay, so how to do? We can use a command line. So then work and the A. So the okay. So I think we can use the Q command. Let me copy URL or address and use the method post. And so answer A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Z. Okay, it should be right. Not reserve proxy. So the Q command. So which option to specify method? So uppercase X. We cannot memorize everything very clearly, right? So the methodology is essential for any pen tester. Yes, I think we need to use uppercase X to see what we can get. So the 80 line matches lowercase a, and also we can retrieve the mapping between uppercase E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Z. Okay? Oh, what's wrong? And then we can get, the uppercase. So 51 should be 51. Where is 51? 51. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 should be this one, G. So you can use a similar step to get the combination, and the combination should be a game over. Okay, and you can get the 15th flag. Okay, let me copy and Easter 14 image. And so now let's take a look at the hint of the next flag. We can check, make all inputs into one form. What it's about. As a matter of fact, this challenge should be done in this directory, game2. So press the button simultaneously. Button 2, button 3, try harder. I need all 3 buttons get pressed at once. Just now we just press one button at one time, at once. And this can be done very easily. We can use Bob Suite, or alternatively we can use command line. Okay, let me show you. So I think we can copy address Q command and the method. Let me copy. Oh, button, and so button 1, button 1, and button 2 is equal to button 2. I think that's all. Let me send it. But there is something wrong. Why it's not working? Oh, I think I miss. And okay, and then we can get the 16th flag. We can copy and put over here. Alright, with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.